Okay, today we're going to take a look at the LP Claw microphone clamp. I use these all over my drum kit to hold my microphones in place, and I know that they're going to stay in place. Definitely prefer them over the traditional microphone stand, which could get knocked over or moved during the show. Sometimes they just get in the way, they get knocked over during the show. You're always worrying if they've moved a little bit. So microphone clamp will just keep that microphone in place and tight and pointing where you want it to without moving during the show. So the LP Claw has become an essential part of my kit. I can't imagine doing a show without these now, knowing that my drum mics are safe and secure and they're not going to move during the show. So let's take a quick look at it. The claw comes in two parts. You get the arm, which has got a big microphone adapter on the end and this spinning disc to hold the microphone clip in place. And then the clamp section, which will clamp onto most common drum rims. And then it has three separate sections which are adjustable, meaning you can get it into whichever angle you need to on your drum kit. And it's very versatile on where it can get to. So let's take a look at how I use it with a snare drum. So first of all, I'm going to attach my microphone on the clip to the arm. Okay, so once I've got the microphone onto the arm, I'm going to take my clamp and attach this to my snare drum. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is basically hold the microphone where I want it to be positioned, and then I'm going to look at where the bar sits on the drum shell. So I can see that it's sitting somewhere in between these two lugs here. So this is where I'm going to attach my claw onto the bottom rim of the snare drum. I'm going to secure that on really tight to make sure it's not going to move anywhere. Next, I'm going to attach the arm with the microphone on into the hole here, and then I'm going to make sure these two are loose, and I'm going to position the microphone in place. Once I'm happy with the placement of the microphone, first thing I'm going to do is spin the disc here to secure the clip into place. And then next I'm just going to tighten up these two sections, which as you tighten you'll see that they move slightly as they tighten into place, so you might have to just readjust as you go. And then tighten that one into place. And there we have it. Okay, so there it is on the snare drum. As you can see, it's a lot neater than having this guy sticking out from the drum kit, potentially getting knocked over, potentially moving as the stage vibrates. They are great on other bits of the drum kit too. They're also great on toms to get a little bit more precise on your positioning. I know sometimes it's quite hard to get the little clamps that come with tom mics in a good position for a live show, so using the LP Claw just means you get that extra little bit of precision and they hold in place great. They're also good on kick drums for the kick out. You can attach it to the rim of the drum, just be aware that it might leave a little mark, so always check with the drummer if you are attaching one to the rim. But you can also position it if you attach it to the leg of the drum kit, and you'll be able to get it so it sits in the hole of the drum nicely. So if you do want to check it out for yourself, I'll leave it linked in the description down below. If you do grab one, let me know how it goes and what you're using it on. Let me know how it changes your life in the comments. And yeah, I hope it improves your mix compared to this.